In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI Slack assistant. We'll walk through the full setup process to connect Slack, Python, and OpenAI so your assistant can respond inside your workspace in real time. The goal here is to create a bot that listens when it's mentioned, sends that prompt to an AI model, and posts the reply back into the same thread. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Slack developer dashboard. From there, create a new app, choose the option to build it from scratch, give it a clear app name, and select the Slack workspace where you have the right permissions to install and test it. Once that's done, create the app. Next, enable socket mode. This is what lets your app communicate over a live WebSocket connection, which is especially useful during development because you don't need to expose a public web server. In the left sidebar, open the socket mode section, turn it on, create an app level token, and generate it. Make sure you save that token somewhere secure because you'll need it later in your Python script. After that, set up the bot's permissions, go to OAuth and permissions, then scroll to the bot token scopes area. Add the scopes for reading app mentions, writing chat messages, and reading channel history. These permissions allow the assistant to detect when it's tagged, reply in channels, and understand some conversation context. Once the scopes are added, install the app to your workspace and approve the request. Then copy and securely store the bot token that gets generated. Now open a new browser tab and go to the OpenAI API keys page. Create a new secret key, label it if you want, and save it in a secure place. This key will allow your script to send prompts to the AI model and receive responses. With the credentials ready, move into your terminal and create a clean project folder. Install the required Python packages using pip for Slackbolt and the OpenAI client. Then create a file called assistant.py and paste in the provided Python code. That script initializes the OpenAI client and Slack app using environment variables, which is the safest way to handle tokens. It registers an event listener for app mentions, removes the Slack mention from the message text, sends the cleaned prompt to the AI model, and posts the response back into the same thread. It also includes error handling, so if something fails, Slack returns a safe fallback message instead of crashing. Before running the script, replace any placeholder credentials with environment variables on your machine.